Carpe diem. Are you ready to own your year, to make your success, your goals, your dreams non-negotiable? No matter what time you are watching this EFT tapping video is going to be an absolute game changer for you. I'm recording this on the 1st of January 2026, and today we are going to be tapping on making your vision, your goals, your dreams absolutely crucial and a priority in your life this year. So buckle up, because we are going to really shift your mindset today. So I want you to think about and get absolutely crystal clear on what it is that you want to create from this moment in your life moving forward. This is the first day of the rest of your life. What do you want your future to look like going forward? This is key, because if you don't know and if you're not clear on what you want that to look like, how on earth are you ever going to create it? Remember, you are an infinitely powerful being, and you have a force within you that is capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. You have to activate and unleash that force into the world. Are you ready to do that? Okay, so get crystal clear on what it is that you want to create. Zero limits, suspend disbelief. I don't care how big your vision and your dream is, you are capable of achieving it. Right, so now that you are clear on your vision, your goal, your dream, when you think about it, what emotions come up for you? Do you feel a sense of helplessness? Do you feel a sense of overwhelm? Do you feel like, this is too big, I don't even know where to start? What do I do? How is this going to work out? What if it doesn't work out? Do you feel any doubt creeping up in you? Okay, I want you, whatever the emotions are that are coming up for you, I want you to rate them on a scale of 0 to 10. So write down the range of emotions that you're going through, thinking about becoming the version of you who is capable of achieving this great big vision, this great big goal, no compromising, and then write down all the emotions and put a number between 0 to 10 on how intense the emotion is. 10 being that the emotion is really intense, and 0 being that, it's not even relevant. You can scratch that one out. Okay, so now we're going to dive into the tapping, and I want you to start by tapping on the side of the hand and just repeat the phrases that I say. Even though this vision seems really daunting, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I feel overwhelmed by this big vision and goal that I have, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me right now. Even though this big goal and this big vision seems impossible to me right now, I deeply and completely love and accept who I am and how I feel right now. Okay, start by tapping on the inside of the eye. All this overwhelm. This vision is daunting. I don't know where to start. I don't know how to achieve this vision. It feels really daunting. I feel overwhelmed. I feel like it's just not possible for me. I destroy, uncreate, and delete, feeling daunted and overwhelmed. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all this doubt. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all these feelings that it's not possible. I destroy, uncreate, and delete feeling daunted and overwhelmed. I destroy, uncreate, and delete all this self-doubt. Okay, take a deep breath. And release it. Another deep breath. Brian Tracy had a great saying, attempt the impossible in order to improve your work. And Elon Musk said, if something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. Now, I don't know about you, but these giants of our time are people who I listen to and I take seriously. So if you want to achieve something big, shoot for the stars, and if you hit the moon, then that's a good outcome, don't you think? So instead of being worried about, oh my God, it's so big, I'm never going to make it, just give it a damn shot. Give it a crack. And who knows, if you get halfway there, then happy days. If it's a massive big goal and dream, then isn't that better than shooting for something that's just small because that feels more achievable, and then only getting halfway to your attempt on that? Or something that doesn't inspire you. Your goal, your vision, your dream, it's got to inspire you. It needs to challenge you. It needs to stretch you. What your soul yearns for is expansion, is growth. So embrace that. Okay, so we're going to do another tapping round, and this time I'm going to use the I choose method. So the choose method is all about letting go of the resistance that you might feel to this goal and dream. And when you use the phrase I choose, it's not so confronting to the subconscious. So this is a very, very powerful way to overcome those limiting beliefs, those fears, those doubts, those blocks that you have in your subconscious that are keeping you stuck. You ready for that? Right, start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to go all in on my goal. I choose to make my goals non-negotiable. I choose to become the best and most powerful version of me, who is capable of achieving this massive goal. I choose in favor of my goals and dreams. I choose to show up every day with a can-do, no matter what, whatever it takes attitude. I choose in favor of me. I choose to prioritize my future wealth and prosperity. I choose to make my goals and dreams non-negotiable. I choose to own my year. I choose to own my day. I choose to become the best version of me, who is capable of achieving this massive goal. I choose to prioritize my goals and dreams. I choose to take radical responsibility. I choose to expand and grow into the version of me who is capable of achieving anything. I choose to be unstoppable. I choose to be unshakable. I choose to be undeniable. I choose to become the best and most powerful version of me, who is capable of achieving this goal and dream and anything else I put my mind to. I refuse to accept mediocrity anymore. I choose to stop procrastinating. I choose in favor of me and my goals. I choose to be unstoppable at achieving my goals and dreams. Okay, take a deep breath and let it out. Okay, I want you to go back and have a look at those emotions that you wrote down at the beginning of this video before you started the tapping, and rate those emotions now on a scale of 0 to 10. Do you feel more motivated? Do you feel more inspired? Do you feel ready to take action? Do you feel ready to rock your goals and dreams from this point forward? I do hope so. If you are really ready to go all in on your vision and goals this year, then go and check out the link that's in the description below. I am holding free live calls at the moment that's going to give you the strategy, the mindset, and to be able to help you to get in the right headspace to be able to achieve any goal and vision this year. I really want to help you to become the best and most powerful version of you so you are capable of achieving anything, and that's what I'm doing with these live presentations. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be holding these for, so don't delay. Go and click and register now. I hope to see you on one of those live calls. If you have enjoyed this, then please give me some love. Like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what your biggest takeaway is from this tapping video and how it landed for you. And if you would like another video that's going to really help you to expand your mindset and grow into this amazing unstoppable version of you, then you can check out this video right here where I give you strategies and mindset to really own this year to be able to succeed at anything you put your mind to. I'll see you in that video next.